Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to set reminder to go somewhere in Google Maps. It's very quick and easy. So let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in using your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see options like search bar, user icon, explore, go, saved, contribute and updates. You have to go ahead and look for the location that you want to live into in some hours, minutes or days. Well, just go ahead and look in the search bar, or you can go to bottom right corner and select this direction option, then choose the starting point. I'm gonna choose Patandava Square, then choose a destination. Then go ahead and look at the bottom of your screen where you have to scroll it up, then scroll down here and select remind you to leave on time. Then select the time that you want to leave in. Well, I'm gonna set this time and tap on set reminder here. Then there you go. That's how you set a reminder to go somewhere in Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.